Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I'm going to show you this. This is a fold-out table from KingCamp. It has an aluminum structure, great for weight and support, and it has adjustable legs to where it will fit just about any height and weight that you want, and this slides together very easily with no tools. All right, folks, so if you're looking for a great design, first off, KingCamp, adjustable legs. You can see the height now. We can adjust them all out and make the table taller at a push of a button. That's nice, and again, no tools. On top of that, this is real aluminum, so it's sturdy. Then it's got that bamboo surface that is built to withstand a good bit of weight. It's beautiful, but it's also environmentally conscious because you know bamboo grows quickly and it helps save them rainforests. On top of all that, it's durable. It is not going to show water stains. It's a beautiful color, and this is going to be great for a two-person picnic because you can throw it in the bag, carry it with you, and take it just about anywhere. So, what are the big advantages here? Bamboo, environmentally conscious, good-looking, stylish. The adjustable legs, the four-fold to where it is easy to carry around, the bag that it comes with, and just a beautiful design with the adjustable legs. And for leveling on a wood floor, on a uneven floor, just adjust right here. Super simple, right folks? All right, so that is our first table. Then the little bit larger right here, still portable, extremely lightweight because of the aluminum and bamboo design, but look at how beautiful that finish is, and that's going to be perfect for a four-person outing, for a little picnic. If you're having a barbecue, you need something, you have a garage sale, you want something you can travel with. Well, guess what, folks? This is the bee's knees and the cat's pajamas. You've got a great design, and these legs just lock into place accordingly. So straightforward and easy. Again, you've got the adjustments for uneven floors on the bottom, the adjustments for height to where you can make it whatever height you want. This folds up and is carryable within a bag. You've got the bamboo design, and of course, the aluminum superstructure that's going to make it durable, reliable, and easy to use. Folks, the brand KingCamp is one of my preferred brands. I absolutely love them, and I love working with them because they make great stuff. KingCamp is a premier brand, and we only show you the most elite of products. And folks, on top of the fire-resistant, fireproof boards, there's also this that I want to show you. I didn't get a chance to show you yet. On this table, there is a mesh storage area that you can just Velcro in underneath, and allows you to keep all your goods. If you're playing cards, or if you've got some utensils and things that you want to store, this is absolutely perfect. Now, like I said, it's got the 3 settings for height. You can raise this to where it's 1, 2, and then one more taller setting. It's got the aluminum structure. It's got this cool mesh storage bag, and of course, this beautiful bamboo cover. All right, folks, I just wanted to point that one out. Really a great addition as well. KingCamp has thought of it all. So folks, what else do I love about these tables? First, I'm gonna give you 5 things. The really nice smooth finish isn't going to show water rings. I love it. This is great for barbecues, cookouts, so many multiple functions. Use them at a garage sale. You can use them to play cards as a great card table, and it folds up to where you can carry it in your RV. Second, the adjustable height, the 3-point height, to where you can adjust the height exactly perfect for you. Third, the fact that it folds up easily is going to allow you to put these things away, and those legs just lock into place like that. Fourth, it's that brand KingCamp. KingCamp, again, is a preferred brand. They're durable, stylish, sophisticated, and chic, and we've always been a big fan of the KingCamp brand here at Elite Demonstrations. We always know when we get something from KingCamp, they're really, truly made to last. Last but not least, it's that aluminum superstructure. It's kind of got like an exoskeleton of aluminum to keep this thing lightweight but durable. All right, folks, you never have to worry about it being uneven, and you've got 2 different sizes of table. depending if you want the 2-person table or the 4-person table. That 4-person is absolutely fantastic as a card table for cookouts. Put some potato chips out there if you're out camping with the family. This thing is a beautiful design, lightweight and durable. Meanwhile, if you're looking for something a little bit lighter that you can take camping, you can walk with, you can carry around with you, you can just put a few snacks, use as an end table, this one's perfect as well. I might keep these in my shop. I got a shop where I do a lot of arts and crafts. This might be the perfect design for my arts and crafts table. All right, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're showing you some of the best products, and guess what? KingCamp, look at that beautiful finish. They can't be beat. They're the best of the best. They allow you to forget the rest. I appreciate you. Goodbye, my friends.